Hey everyone, I just finished this DIY leather bag and I'm so happy with it. It's from Solace Leather and you can check them out at solaceleather.com, and it is definitely a designer look-alike bag and really simple to put together. And I just wanted to show it to you because it came out so beautiful. So this is split leather with a texture finish, and it has two insert or slip pockets in there, and also there is a middle layer which is made out of cowhide, but I gotta tell you, it's so classy and beautiful. So if you want, go ahead and check out solaceleather.com, and I also linked in the description of this video the discount code if you decide to look through any of these kits and want to get one yourself. As usual, when I get a package, I am so excited. So let me show you exactly what came in this DIY leather bag kit. And even though this leather is so beautiful and I absolutely love it, my favorite part are all the little tools that they send you, like the nippers here and the sewing needles and so on. Anyway, this is not a tutorial video because Solace Leather provides a wonderful follow-along tutorial. And if you're interested in seeing that, I've also linked it below in the description of this video. So I have gone ahead at this point and sewn together the first three pieces, which make the entire exterior of the bag with the saddle stitch. So my next thing I have to do is bring together these end pieces here to sort of form the boxed corners. I finished the bottom and the box corners and also one of the sides, again using the saddle stitch, and in a moment I'll show you exactly how to do that. And I especially love relaxing on my couch as I do all this hand sewing and I watch a movie. I love this. This is my favorite time to hand sew, especially bags. And you do use 2 needles with the saddle stitch. I'm moving along here with the sides sewn up, and now I'm in the middle of sewing one of the 2 slip pockets. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this saddle stitch. Again, there are 2 needles on one long thread, and this is exactly how you do it. I'm sewing along these pre-made holes, and as I'm doing this running stitch, there's always a stitch that's missing in between. If you look carefully, you go from one hole to another, but there's a space in between each stitch. So I'm going to do a few with this needle here. And now I'm picking up the other needle and I'm filling in the spots, and it's so obvious here where the other running stitch couldn't possibly get. So I'm just filling them in. And if you follow along and pay attention, you see exactly where to go. It's really a simple stitch, and this is the hand stitch usually used for sewing most leather items. And at this point, the last thing I need to do is actually sew on the handles. And I have to say the handles were a little bit of a challenge for me, but I completed them. So if you do this, don't give up. You will get them done as well as I did. Looking at this completed bag, I have to say the first word that comes to me is classy. It is not a big bag, it's a medium-sized bag, but it does fit everything I usually carry with me, and you can wear it several different ways with very different outfits, and I'll show you what I mean in a moment. I especially love the 2 slip pockets on either side of the bag, for those things that you don't want anyone, in case they take a peek, to see and keep more secure. So here's how I'm styling this very versatile bag. This day was very casual, sweatshirt. Look at how fabulous. Sweatshirt, leggings, looks wonderful. Then I absolutely love this classy look with the turtleneck, my favorite thing to wear. And then, of course, you have those relaxed Saturdays with your touch of gold, but I gotta have my jeans on. The purse says it all. And then I have the intellectual look here with the navy blue cardigan and smart black pants. And of course, last but not least, my sort of Audrey Hepburn look. Absolutely love this. So if you're thinking of making one of your own, go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video, and I have linked this very bag there with the discount code. And if you love DIY leather bag kits, go ahead and check out my other tutorials right up here on the screen. Thanks for watching.